Today we will show you how to add custom checkout field to your WooCommerce. Navigate to the WooCommerce tab in the WordPress admin panel, then go to the settings by clicking on it. You will see the conditional checkout field tab. Click on the tab to add new field. There you will see billing, shipping and additional field tab. You can add custom field to any part of the checkout page. Click on the Add Field button. The pop-up will appear to configure the field settings. First, set the field type from the 15 options available. Add a custom name to the field, and enter the field's label. You can enable or disable the custom field. Then include a placeholder text. Then select the field class, and enter the price for the field. Checkbox to make the custom field mandatory and taxable. Then select the radio button to display or hide fields for specific product or category. Select the radio button to hide or display a custom field for specific user roles. To apply condition on the custom field, click on the Add Condition button. Then configure the condition. Choose to hide or display the field, select the value field and condition, and enter the value of the condition. Then click Save Changes button to add the field. You can also enable or disable the default fields with the help of the toggle button. Thanks for watching.